up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. And if you guys saw my last video, I posted my freshman college orientation vlog. So I basically vlogged my freshman orientation at Kent State University. I decided that I would hop on and give you guys some advice if you haven't gone on orientation yet, or if you're younger and you're gonna go in a couple of years. But it might be enjoyable and kind of some useful information because some of the stuff I didn't know. So it's kind of things I wish I knew before I went, but it's also kind of a mix with my advice on going. Also, mind my appearance. I am wearing a hat because number one, it's really cute and I wanted to wear it. And number two, my hair is atrocious because I've been working the past 3 days, and I work at a local restaurant, so I have to have my hair pulled back or up in some way, so I'm not gonna wash it because I have to work again today. So love that. I'm so tired of working right now, so this is literally one of my only free moments of my life, so yay! If you guys want to hear my advice, just keep on watching, and if you guys enjoy, don't forget to comment, and subscribe for more videos of me just like these. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Also, like always, I'm going to be using my iPad for my notes because I don't use paper. So if I look down, that's why. Okay, so first I want to give you guys a quick little background if you are new here and give you guys a little insight into my experience. If you didn't know, I just graduated high school. I'm going into my freshman year of college at the Kent State University in Ohio. So yeah, that's if you're new here. As for orientation, they call it Destination Kent State, and it honestly was super fun. I really enjoyed myself. I had a great time. I made some new memories, made some new friends, got a lot of information, got some free stuff, and it kind of showed me what living on campus is actually going to be like, which is kind of exciting but kind of scary at the same time because it's super different from home, which I already knew that going into college anyway. I didn't really realize that before I actually went and experienced it, which is probably why they do orientation. Also, scheduling. Love it. It's so much better than high school. Oh, also, my orientation was pretty much 2 days, so you can really say 1.5 days, but the whole first day was jam-packed with stuff, and then pretty much the second day after you were done with your advising appointment, you were pretty much free to go home. They had some other stuff to do if you wanted to do that, but they had the next group coming in, so I didn't do all that stuff. I kind of did my own thing with my mom and my aunt who came to pick me up. Alright, so my first piece of advice for anyone going to any kind of college orientation, whether it's transfer or new freshman, transfer, I can't talk today, or new freshman, is to just be positive and have an open mind. There were so many people I just saw around me who just weren't positive people, and they weren't enjoying themselves. I mean everyone's different. I'm just really outgoing, so maybe they're just more reserved, and that's totally fine, but I don't know, just seem you're positive and having an open mind because they are giving you a lot of good information, and don't think you're above it, I guess, because there are also some kids who are oh, I don't need this information, I'm good, I don't need it, but I mean, you're there for orientation, so have an open mind to everything people are telling you, basically is what I'm trying to say. Just have a good mindset when you're going into orientation, you know, don't be super petrified, don't be, I'm sorry about the lighting, it's gonna change because I'm using my window. Just be positive and have a good mindset going into it to get the most out of it that you can. And this is my Apple Pencil. My iPad keeps going blank, so I'm probably gonna hold this. I'm sorry. It's pretty general what I'm trying to say, but yeah, just be happy. Be glad you're there because you're gonna be there in a few months and you're gonna have to live there every day. So you should be glad you're there, or you shouldn't have picked that college. But if you want advice on how to pick a college, it'll be in the card. My next piece of advice, and I have a story to go with this one. So bring what you need. Pretty much every orientation at any college will give you a list in the mail or online of what you need to bring. I had to bring a change of clothes for the next day, my toiletries, a pillow and a blanket, shower shoes. Other than your pajamas, I also recommend bringing, if you are staying overnight, comfy clothes, because at night we had after the full day of all the information, and then we took a walk to our downtown area, we had a little dance party thing, and there was outside activities on the basketball court. There was cornhole, There was some kind of other like frisbee game, so like bring some kind of like athletic clothes and athletic shoes just in case, like you never know. But like for me personally, it felt really great to change out of shorts and like a cute little blouse into yoga pants and a t-shirt. Also bring comfy shoes. My shoes were comfortable. I brought Birkenstocks, so I was completely fine with all the walking we were doing. At the time, I thought I was getting blisters on my feet, but I actually got bit by mosquitoes like on areas that you would normally get blisters. It was really, really weird. Mosquito bites were hurting, so like I don't know, if you are at a more rural school, I would bring like Benadryl or something like that, like a cream with you. Yeah, like my shoes are comfy, but like bring comfy shoes for you, obviously, because you're going to be doing a lot of walking pretty much at any college you go to, unless it's like really small. But bring comfy shoes anyway, because then you're just not gonna be miserable. My other thing to bring what you need, a water bottle, okay? I cannot tell you how important this is. And like a bigger-ish bag, because you're gonna be getting like a lot of resources and information, so bring like a bigger bag. Okay, basically, all day we had like information and stuff, and then like we had lunch and we had drinks there, and we had dinner and we had drinks there, and then we take a walk downtown and it's super sunny, it's like super bright out, and then like we go back, and then that's when all like the night stuff is beginning, and we go back to the dorms like to get changed, because it's all like in the lawn of the dorm that we're staying at. There is no water to be found. There is no vending machine, there is no little store open, there is nothing in the dorms. We thought there'd be like vending machine or something, but nope, they're not there. There are water fountains and there was little cups in our room, but like it wasn't helping because we were just so thirsty and so dehydrated. Basically, don't do what me and my friends did. We literally ordered DoorDash. This is what everyone was doing. They ordered DoorDash from Wendy's, but Wendy's closed at 9:30. So then we were like, okay, like we need to find another restaurant. So then Taco Bell was open till 4 a.m. So my friend got me and my other few friends a large lemonade or a large Baja Blast. Yeah, that thing, Baja Blast. And he got himself a burrito, so like go him. But it was kind of expensive to order DoorDash, so like if you don't have a card on you, that's probably not gonna happen. So bring a water bottle. Don't be like me. Alright, so my next piece of advice is literally just to say hi to people. There were a lot of people who were pretty outgoing in my orientation, but there were also a lot of people who weren't outgoing and weren't talking to people, and like if you wanted to talk to them, it was like trying to pull teeth. You never know who you might meet. I actually met two really cool girls at the name tag table, and they ended up being from another school in my county, and like I've never seen them before in my life. They were two new faces, and it was like, wow, like what a small world. But like they're super sweet, and I really hope like we remain friends, like, and like build on our friendship like while we're at college. And also, while you're meeting people, get their social media. We personally had like a GroupMe chat for our orientation day. In that chat we were also like sharing like our Snapchats, our Instagrams, and I'm a part of like 3 Snapchat groups now. Kind of nice that like when I'll go back to campus in the fall, I'll kind of have like some people to like be like, hey, like I met you at orientation, how are you, like how was your summer? Friendships, hopefully. Be sociable if that's you. If that's not you, try to like go out of your comfort zone a little bit. My next thing is to take advantage of resources, discounts, freebies, all that kind of jazz. So at mine, we personally had like a resource fair in the morning before everything started, so I went around and got some resources that I really wanted on, information on, like I wanted information on the sorority life. Take advantage of your resource fairs, get some free stuff from free pens, put it in your bag. This is where the bag comes in handy if you bring a bigger one. And then in like my booklet they gave me, there was like a lot of like discounts, coupons, and free stuff. There was like a thing for like a free t-shirt if you went to the place downtown, and like since you are there for orientation, like a lot of the downtown businesses, if you have a college town, will probably be doing some sort of promotion, sale, something like that, because they know a lot of new people are in town. When I was walking around at the resource fair and like just like in the ballroom area where like the presentations were gonna happen, I got like 3 free t-shirts. Next piece of advice is don't be afraid to have fun and make some memories like with your new friends and like just being on campus, but do what you're supposed to do. A lot of people at my orientation who just didn't follow the schedule, thought they were so above it and like didn't, and like thought it was cool to like do their own thing and like go off and do whatever they want. Trust me, everything that you're supposed to do at orientation, like the resources, like the presentations, they're there for you, like to help you and give you information, so like go to them. And like if you leave orientation without information, you're gonna be lost and you're not gonna know what to do when you get there. And if you don't do what you're supposed to do when you get here, you're gonna get left behind and you're gonna be lost. So don't do that. So my 8th and final tip, I'm sorry, there's like a lot of tips, is to prep for your advising appointment. And like basically what that means is no matter if you're going to a community college or a normal university, look online at like the core classes you're going to have to take, because most likely during your freshman and sophomore year you're going to have to take core classes. So if you go online and have an idea of what your options are for core classes, like what kind of maths, sciences, humanities, fine arts you can take, if you have an idea of those kind of things, social sciences, you will be so much better in your advising appointment, especially at a larger university. We actually met with a student from our department first who showed us how to do our online schedule builder, and then we actually met with our advisor afterwards. So if I wouldn't have prepped for my advising appointment and wouldn't have looked at classes beforehand, I would not have known what I wanted to take. And also, it's good to make your decisions quickly, because at least in my case, there was one class I have to actually take for my major that would have counted towards my core classes as well. It filled up right when I was about to finish doing my schedule. So if you know what you want to take and you're not as indecisive, it'll be super easy for you. For the most part, I literally love my schedule. I have no Friday classes at the moment, which is so rare for a freshman. But it might change due to like my AP scores, because I really want to get in my psychology, because first of all, I love psychology, it's really interesting to me, and there was like an upper level one I wanted to take just on like mental illnesses that would count for my social science. So I want to take that, but I have to, my prereq for that is general psych, and if I pass my AP exam for it, then I can take that upper level psych, or I can take general psych if I don't pass it. So I want to kind of get my psychology in just because I love psychology and it's still fresh in my mind from high school. So I would like to do that, but if I do that, that's like a Friday morning class, which I don't think is a big deal. Prep for your appointment, do your research beforehand, and have an idea of what you want to take and what you want to do. It'll just make your appointment go so much smoother. Alright, so that is basically all of my college orientation advice. If this helped you in any way, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it, I guess. I really did have a great time at my orientation. I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I thought would help going into orientation and some things that I wish I knew going into orientation. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys, thanks for watching.